Embracing the inevitable resurgence of the COVID-19 pandemic, Government Minister Ng Heng Heng bowed his head in humility as he apologized to the public in advance for the massive and completely preventable waves of new infections that would devastate the community in the next few months. Citing his own inadequacy as the main reason for future outbreaks, he addressed the public.
We would like to start by saying we are deeply sorry that in hindsight, we should have been more stringent in screening our imported cases. However, there is very little we can do about it now, and we hope the public will work with us as we work to reopen our travel bubbles.
We are hopeful that at least 50% of the population will be able to survive the second, third, fourth, and even the seventh wave of COVID risk management. We don't know how many waves the official apology from the government covers. We wish we could have done more.
Back home, the situation is even gloomier. The dear family is already preparing for the inevitable outcome of government mismanagement of COVID cases by mourning the loss of life in the family.
This is a visual that I'm holding for myself because I'm an essential healthcare worker on the front line. There is almost no chance that I will survive this. I just wish we would have gotten a hold of the situation earlier before, any of this would have happened.
Dia's sure and inevitable death was echoed by citizens nationwide who joined Voices 9 p.m. yesterday to sing Kit Chan's Home for all the frontline healthcare workers who would have to work overtime just to keep our healthcare system afloat.
We recognize that the government cannot sit idly by while our public is affected by a deadly disease. That is why we are introducing our coffin stimulus package to help the public offset up to 50% of the total cost of their coffins. We hope the public will work with us on the coffin stimulus package.
Unlike other countries, we are so lucky to have all the possible resources and facilities at our disposal to prevent these outbreaks before they happen. But sadly, in a few months, our healthcare system will be totally overwhelmed, and none of this will matter.
At least the support has been overwhelming. I have received many donations in the form of peanuts, fruit plus candy, and the seed, the black color one. I don't know how to open, but it's for my funeral. And many of my friends have even written in my memorial book, and two of my closest friends have also written my eulogy already.
With the nation in a somber mood, ready to embrace the hundreds and thousands of new infections arising due to poor decision-making, other countries are looking on and sending their condolences, saying they wish there was something they could have done to help.